Hello, welcome to my channel. Hey there, in today's video we're going to talk about a topic that is important to many of us. How to tell if a woman is interested in you. So, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're not sure whether a woman is into you or just being friendly? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 signs that can help you determine whether a woman is secretly interested in you. And, make sure to stick around until the end of the video because I have an important tip that will help you seal the deal if you're interested in her too. So, have you ever been in a situation where you're not sure if a woman is just being friendly or if she's secretly interested in you? The first sign to look out for is when a woman initiates conversations and keeps them flowing. If she likes you, she'll make an effort to find out more about you and get to know you better. Moving on to the second sign, if she takes an interest in your life and asks questions about your family and past relationships, and future plans, this could be a strong indication that she's into you. It shows that she's genuinely interested in getting to know you on a deeper level. Now, let's talk about physical contact, which is the third sign. If a woman frequently touches you in a respectful manner, like a light touch on the arm or a friendly hug, this is a clear sign that she feels comfortable around you and wants to get closer. The fourth sign is when she maintains eye contact during conversations and smiles frequently. Eye contact is a powerful tool, and if a woman likes you, she'll look at you intently while you're talking. And if she's really interested, she'll be smiling a lot too. But, wait, there's more. The fifth sign to watch out for is when a woman remembers small details about you, like your favorite food or the name of your pet. This shows that she's been paying attention to what you've been saying and is interested in the little things that make you unique. And finally, the sixth sign is when a woman makes time for you in her busy schedule. If she's interested in you, she'll prioritize spending time with you and make an effort to fit you into her plans. Now, before I wrap up this video, I want to share an important tip with you. If you're interested in a woman who's exhibiting these signs, take the initiative and make a move. Ask her out, plan a fun date, and see where things go. Don't wait around for her to make the first move, as she may be waiting for you to take the lead. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found these signs helpful. Remember, every woman is unique, and not all of them will exhibit these signs in the same way. The most important thing is to pay attention to her behavior around you and trust your instincts. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one.